Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool where you can avail different types of templates for the content creation and content writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore how it will works out to write our technical and research article content. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that WrireAI.tech. So here you can see generate up to 1000 words for free using Writea.tech. So just click on that Writea.tech and you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So here you can see these are the different options: dashboard, affiliate system. So here you can see templates. So here I am going to click on the templates. So it will give different templates available in this particular AI tool. So here you can see I am going to click all templates. So we will check one by one whether which template will be apt for our content creation and technical writing. So first one is blog section, blog ideas, blog title, blog intro, blog conclusion, blog text, blog summary. So these are the things which is related with blog. These blog type of templates can be useful for our research article content preparation also. So you can make a common content, or you can use to create any technical content, you can make use of this option. So next one you can see related with email. You will be having discount email, testimonial email, promotional email, follow up, confirmation email, like that. So related with email. So next one related with social media post, that is Instagram captions, that is related with YouTube video title, video description, video tag generator, etc. So next you can see website review, website title, so related with website. So next vision and mission of a company. So next important thing is that academic essay. So here this is one we have to watch out for. You can write technical content using this academic essay. So next one is article generator. So you can generate article using this this article regenerator. Next paragraph generator. Next content rewriter. So these are the important things we have to check out for our content writing. Next one product summarize text, grammar checker. Next you can see different options, that is wedding quote, promotional letter, motivational quotes, song lyrics, short story, story ideas, TikTok, Instagram. So like that different options are available. So these are the different templates available in this Writea.tech. So next one you can see what are the other options are speech to text. So here, so I have clicked. So in this you can convert your speech into text. You can upload your audio file and you can convert your speech into text. So next one is generate code. So you can type your title, so and you can give the description for that particular title, then the code will be appear here. So let us try this one also. So next one is generate images. So here you can see you will be having options, that is type your image title or description that you are looking for, then click on generate images. So it will generate image. So this is a fantastic AI tool which is having many options for writing and generate images and create a quality content and create code also. So we will explore one by one. So first I am going to click on templates. So in the templates especially related with writing, so first one you can see here article generator. So here you can select. So you can select here English as your language, title of the article. For example, I am going to give a technical topic. So I am going to give the same. So grid or I can go for new topic, power management. Power management using multi-port converter by integration of solar and battery. So like that I am going to give. So main points you have to cover is that so you have to cover during changing irradiation condition battery supply to load solar supply to load. So like that I am going to give some conditions. So let us see how it will generate. So create content, I have given create content. Let us see how it will generate the technical content for us. So here our content is generated. So power management using multi-port converter by integrating solar battery has become essential aspect of renewable energy system. As the demand of clean and sustainable energy sources continues to rise, it is crucial to efficiently utilize the available resources to meet the power requirements. So this article explores the concept of power energy. So like that, an introduction part of your research article can be prepared using this article generator. So thereby you can make use of this option to generate the technical content for your introduction part of your research paper. So let us see content rewriter. So whether how it will rewrite content, like that we will check it out. So for that I am going to a common paragraph. I am going to copy and paste a common paragraph and say, let us check how it will rewrite content. So what are the main points to cover? So PV system, next balance of system, next one types of PV system. So like that I am going to give some of the important main points to be covered. So let us see how the content will be rewritten. So here our content is rewritten. So you can see here, so our content is rewritten, the content is changed and rewritten and expanded. So you can make use of this content to reduce plagiarism in your research paper also. So these are the important options related with writing. So you can make use of this option. So academic essay, article generator, paragraph generator, content rewriter, so and also grammar checker. So you can check for grammar also. So just we will explore that one also. Type content, you would like to check grammar. So for example, I am going to copy and paste the same simple sentence. So and I am going to click create. So after that, so this can be changed into grammatically correct. So here you can see the tone of voice should be professional and the maximum length should include professional words. Do not generate a translation. So it is changed. So thereby you can make use of this option to check your grammar of your research paper also. So next we will explore generate images. So I have click on generate images. Generate an image of a biogas power plant. Let us check out whether it will working or not. Generate an image of a biogas power plant I have given. So you can use 10 images for free. So let us see how it will generate image. So here you can see animated image like this is generated. So you can make use of this for your presentation, or else you can copy and paste in your project report preparation also. So here you can see this is the image generated using this biogas plant. So this can be done better, but okay, this can be useful for your presentation. So you can make use of this option. So next one is I am going to click generate code. So here type code title. So I am going to give P and O. So generate a MATLAB code for perturb and observe algorithm. So like that I am going to give an description and I am going to click generate code. Let us see whether it will generate the MATLAB code or not. So it will take several seconds. So here the code for this is generated. So you can make use of this option to generate different codes, so in different languages. So these are the important options available in this Writea.tech. So this will be a fantastic AI tool where you can work out to create your technical content for your research paper. So this will be a very useful tool. An important announcement is that we are going to conduct and workshop on supercharge your research paper using ChatGPT and AI tools. So this is our workshop, online workshop, supercharge your research papers, conference and journal paper writing with ChatGPT and AI toolbox. So on 29th July 23. So don't forget to join our workshop and make your research article writing very better. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.